Thank you for joining me today. And if you can hear my voice right now, it's because you want to know how to perform the dumbbell bent over row correctly. Now, bend at the waist with the back parallel to the floor. Hold the dumbbell with one hand and place the other hand on the bench for support. Pull the dumbbell to the lower chest and just above the waist. Pause momentarily and lower slowly to elbow extended position. You'll want to repeat this movement until you've achieved the desired number of reps before you switch to the opposite side and hand. Things to keep in mind. Make sure that your back is supported and that the dumbbell is lifted and lowered in a controlled manner. All of the movements should be controlled. Not throwing or slinging the weights around. Not only does this not stimulate the muscle optimally, it could cause an injury, and the last thing you want is to have to take time off to heal. Now, your breathing should also be natural and controlled. I like to take a deep breath right before I start the pull motion, also called the concentric phase or shortening of the lat or back muscle. And then I breathe out as I lower the weight, which is known as the eccentric phase or lengthening of the muscle. All in all, this is one of the most effective exercises for developing the lats, which is the largest muscle, not only of your back, but also your upper body. We will get into the chest in a different video, so continue to watch my channel. Now, take your time with it and don't start out with a weight that is too heavy to control and not so light that you could do 20 reps with ease. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And remember, you're never too old to start working out, but it's better to start today.